Hi, I'm Coach Mac. Welcome to Coaching Math. And today we're going to work on some fraction problems. Converting a fraction to a percent. Converting a fraction to a percent. We're going to work on that today. Hope you're motivated. Hope you had a good week. And hope you're ready to go. Okay, before we go into our fraction problem, we're going to do what I call the word of the day. For every class I give a word of the day. The word of the day is going to be friendship. Friendship. Friendship should be about sharing. Friendship should not be about one person putting all the load. Friendship should be about understanding. Ability to sit down and talk about things, line things out. Friendship should have a balance between giving and receiving. In a friendship, I'm going to be very simple. I'm talking about two guys, friends, or two girls that are friends, just common friendship. Giving and receiving should be a balance. It should always be that when you go out that let's say two young ladies go out together, friends, it shouldn't be that one person should always buy everything, the other one should always have to listen to the other one. It should be a balance. It should be a balance between giving and receiving. Each person should sometimes give, and each person should sometimes be in bliss to receive. A friendship should be trusting. Friendship to be based on trust. They should be able to trust each other with secrets and different things. Our friendship should be involved asking questions. Now, here's the thing. In asking a question in a friendship, you may ask questions in a friendship, but give the individual the courtesy, or let them have the opportunity to say, okay, yes, I'm going to answer the question, or I don't want to answer the question. Let them decide that they want to answer the question out. In friendship, you should respect other people's feelings. There shouldn't be just one person respecting your feeling, but you're not respecting their feelings. Friendship should be a balance in respect. Friendship should, a true friend is someone you can count on to be there when you really need them. It doesn't mean that they always got to be there, always be there. It means that in crucial times, you expect them to be there if they can be. Friendship should involve laughter at times. And then friendship should be involve laughter at times, and sometimes involve sorrow. But even through sorrow, friendship, when people come together doing sorrow and friendship, it makes a stronger bond. And Proverbs chapter 27 verse 17 says, as iron sharpens iron, so one sharpens another. Friendship should involve helping each other to become better in different areas of our life. That's what it should entail. Proverbs 22 and 24 NIV says, do not make friends with a hot-tempered man. Do not associate with one that is easy to anger. Or you may learn his ways and get yourself in a snare. In other words, the type of people that you choose to be friends with, at some point, are going to affect your life. One of the two of you are probably going to affect each other a little bit more than the other. Now, the last thing is, friendship should not be overwhelming, a friend should not be overbearing, but there should be a balance in everything. So, remember, and choose your friends wisely. Choose your friends wisely. That's very important. Choosing friends is a part of the responsibility of every young person. But even with friendship, when you're with someone, you have the final say as to your actions. Whether you're going to do something or not going to do something. Not that person. I hope you think about that and choose your friends wisely. Now we're going to go into our work. We're going to start working on our fraction problem. Changing fractions to a percent. Okay. Now I'm going to show two examples. One way we're going to change our fraction to percent is using proportion to find the percentage. That's going to be one way. The other way, you're going to simply divide the denominator into the numerator. That'll be the other way with you. Okay. Now, we're going to talk about our first example here. And I'm going to use the number. I'm going to use the fraction 3/20. The fraction 3/20. The fraction 3/20. Now, here I am. I'm using the fraction 3/20. Okay, what I did here is I placed 8 over 100, and the first thing I'm going to do to find a proportion, of hundreds, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross multiply. In other words, I look at, okay, I know 3 times 100 is 300, so 20 times n is also going to equal 300. Now 20 times n is going to be 15. So 15 is n is 15, n is 15. Now, so the answer is going to be 15%. All you have to do is look at it the way I did it, write it down, and you will have no problem. The answer is 15%. I got it by using a proportion to find the percentage. Now the other way I talked about was dividing the denominator into the numerator, and I'm going to show you an example of that right now. Simply divide the denominator and numerator, and you get the same answer: 15%. 15%. Again, 15%. So, those are the two ways we're going to work with to change a fraction to percent. Using proportion to find the percent, and dividing the denominator into the numerator. I'll show one more example. This time I'm using 3/5. 3/5. 3/5. 3/5. We find the proportion, and there's your answer. 60%. 50%. You might want to write this down. Okay, good. All right, now let's continue on. What we're going to do now is I'm going to just going to flash up some fractions, give you a few seconds, give you some time to maybe work it out yourself. First one going to be 9/36. You're going to find the percentage of that number. 9/36. The answer is going to be 25%. 25%. Five thirtieths. 5/30. 5/30. 5/30. The answer is going to be 16.6%. Five-tenths to a percentage. The answer is going to be 50%. 50%. Next one's going to be 18/20. 18/20. 18/20 to a percent. The answer is going to be 90%. 90%. Six-twentieths. 6/20. 6/20. The answer is going to be 30%. Six-tenths to a percent. 6/10. The answer is going to be 60%. Three-fourths. Change three-fourths to a percentage. The answer is going to be 75%. One-fourth. One-fourth. Change one-fourth to a percent. One-fourth. The answer is going to be 25%. One-fifth. One-fifth. The answer is going to be 20%. 20%. Four-fifths. 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 The answer is going to be 80%. 80%. Almost finished. Two-tenths. 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 The answer is going to be 20%. One-half. A half. One-half. The answer is going to be 50%. Last one is going to be 5/8. 5/8. 5/8. The answer is going to be 62.5%. 62.5%. And those are all of the problems for today. All the problems for today. In my next segment, it'll be something different. We'll be working on changing fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions in the next session. I want to end by saying, hope you have a nice weekend, young man, young lady. We have a nice weekend. Remember the word of the day about friendship. Choose your friends wisely. Sometimes it might even become necessary for you to let go of a few friends. If they choose to go in a direction that you know you don't want to go into, you may have to let some friends go. Or sit down with your friends and say, you know what, we're going to continue to be friends. We got to sit down, have some understanding that, you know what, I don't particularly like this thing, I don't particularly like this thing, I don't particularly like the direction you're going in, and the direction you're going in could get us in trouble. If you don't have the desire to change the direction you're going in, maybe the best for us to do to depart the friendship. But hopefully you can mend the friendship and it can be good. Hopefully your friendship, your friends, is a friendship that both of you share the friendship. And also one thing about friendship too, just because a person is your friend doesn't mean he has to be with you all the time. He might want to be with one of his other friends. You know, let's say Jerry and Joe are good friends, okay? They go play basketball together, they go to the movie together as friends. But then again, Jerry might call Mike one day, him and Mike might go bicycle riding. So you shouldn't be jealous that your friends go the other thing. So remember, friendship is about sharing. Okay, cherish friendships. Good friendships are hard to find. When you find good friendship, try to hold on to it. Keep a good attitude toward math. Have a great day. Be safe. Thank you for watching.